we just showed you what the situation is in Punjab. Let's go further north now to Jammu and Kashmir. Several areas in Jammu and Kashmir are battling heavy inundation, with aerial visuals capturing the Jhelum having breached the danger mark, causing floods in the area. Take a look.
We are in the Tengan area of South Srinagar, and this is the location where the first breach has happened in the Jhelum river. At Shalina, the breach happened in the dead of the night, and water started coming into civilian areas, into built-up areas. Though most of the people have been evacuated, but there are still SOS calls that are coming in from deep interiors, because there are a couple of villages, and SDRF, the State Disaster Response Force teams, have come. They'll take their boats inside and try to evacuate the people who are stuck. Now, there are constant advisories as far as the administration is concerned. Budgam and Srinagar administration has told people to evacuate from South Srinagar areas, including the Bagh Mehtab, Naugam, and periphery, the Pachahi, Bagh Mahjoor Nagar areas. As you can see, the boats are being launched here, and they'll go deep inside the area to see if anyone is stuck. He'll be rescued. The water levels are increasing as the water from the Jhelum breach is coming into the civilian areas. Though people should understand that this is nowhere close to the 2014 situation. That was massive. It was a deluge. Right now, it is certain pockets, low-lying areas of Srinagar, which are seeing this inundation, and this Shalina area is one of them. Breach has happened, though. There are attempts to plug the breach, but already a lot of water moving towards the civilian built-up areas in South Srinagar. So people obviously need to stay vigilant, adhere to administration's advisories, but hopefully weather has cleared, sun is out. Next 4-5 hours, there is a forecast that there will be no more rain, and this is for Jammu and Kashmir. So weather is, in fact, has cleared, so that is a bit of fortunate news. But already a part of Srinagar underwater, and this water is moving towards South Srinagar areas. People told to adhere administration advisories and stay vigilant. With Campusan Muzaffar Ahmed, Meet for East Srinagar for India Today.